Okay, so the next widget I want to show you guys is a Cupertino action sheet. Okay, and to demonstrate that, I'm gonna go back to this page and create a button for that. So I'm gonna look for the chat room class. Okay, so this class returns just text. I'm gonna change it and make it Cupertino button. The color green. Down on the place. Leave it now for now. Then a child. And for the child, I'm going to say text. Let's say button. Now the next thing I want to do is create a method that will help me display the action sheet. So I'm going to go here and say action sheet method. In this method, I'm going to say show Cupertino modal pop-up. Okay, so this Cupertino modal pop-up basically takes two properties: context and a builder. The context is going to be a build context, so I'm going to put it here in this method. So I provide it anytime I call this method. So I'm going to say build context. And then this builder is also going to take a context. And return the Cupertino action sheet. So this build method. So this builder property will be the one to actually return a Cupertino action sheet. Cupertino action sheet. So the Cupertino action sheet takes a title, message, cancel button, and the last one will be the actions. So the title is going to be the title of your action sheet. I'm going to make it a text and call it your title. And let's say I'm going to provide a text as well. Let's see the body. Body of your message goes here. And then this cancel button typically takes a Cupertino action sheet action. And this takes an on-press. Then a child. It's going to be a text. I'm going to call this text cancel. Then for the on-press, I'm going to say navigator of context to remove the dialog. So the action is a list of widgets, and typically they are also Cupertino action sheet actions. So I'm going to say Cupertino action sheet actions. Click on press. Child. I'm going to say action 1. I don't have 3 of these actions on my screen, so I'm going to copy and paste these 3 times. And change this to action 2. Okay, now I want to wire up this method this context is actually going to come from here. I'm going to save it. And you can see how I have this nice widget here. Then this cancel takes it away. So basically this is your title, the message you want to show, and then the actions needs to be your cancel button. So that will be it for this video. I will leave the link to the previous tutorials in the description.